Welcome to the Mantis Ring. This training series is about the use of rings as supplemental tools for martial art training. I'll be using a variety of different rings. The size of the ring typically refers to the different ranges of combat. So the 8, 10, and 12-inch rings are for close quarters combat, while the larger 14, 15, and 18-inch rings are dealing with opponents a bit further away. The use of rings in Chinese martial arts goes way back and continues today, but the benefits of this type of training definitely goes beyond the ancient combat arts. I was presented the ring by an elder of my system a number of years ago. He didn't show me how to use it, but gave it to me as more of a question to be answered. Ring training quickly became my go-to when I was training alone. Solo training is an important part of every martial artist's journey. Reflection and contemplation are important because it helps us remember what we've learned, as well as where we need to improve. It was in those times of training in solitude that the ring stopped being a simple tool for me and became something much more. Every time I picked it up, I learned something new. Sometimes, I would see how the ring would conform to my system, and other times the ring seemed to be the teacher, giving me new ways to use it in my practice. It was then that I realized that the ring was an enigma that only the warrior in solitude can solve. This video shows how I use the ring, how I incorporated it into my practice. However, my hope is that regardless of what combat system you study, that you find your own way to incorporate ring training into your own practice.